just go in there all half-cocked, Prawner. They'll kill you dead. You need some backup, and I'm just the lobster to do it.
Oh, God. That's violent. Hey, Twit.
Hey.
How was the movie? That bad, huh?
No. The movie was good.
What is it then, buddy?
Well, it's just... Did you know there aren't any birds in the Maltese Falcon?
But it's called,
Yeah, I know. And it turns out it's about some human detective.
Humans are strange.
I have all your money. You're gonna have to get it.
I don't want any of your money. Your money can't bring back my child.
What are you watching?
It's this new show on Tripix called The Prawner Show.
I have your child in my car.
The only way you have my child in your car is if it's in a to-go box. You just got prawnished.
Cluck, that's violent.
I know, right?
Want to watch another one?
You know it.
You said this was called The Prawner?
Yep, and it even has prawns in the show.
See? Just the way I like them. As advertised. It's called The Prawner, has prawns.
Yeah, and they kill things.
Looking at you, Maltese Falcon.
Previously on The Prawner.
I chased down the shrimping boat. It was 1973 and I was in the shrimping boat. And I didn't want to be there again. And I hope that if I ever had children, and my children's children, that they won't have to live on a shrimp boat like I did.
Oh, gosh.
That was my grandma's journal. My grandmama lived on a shrimp boat and was married to a shrimp boat captain. And they had so many children. Looks like you're having an all-you-can-eat buffet. Not today!
Prawner, look out! They got shell crackers.
First they took my children, then they took my husband, and then they took his wing. This is the last straw, restaurant industry.
Cluck. Well, want to watch another one?
You know it.